Did you know your next airport experience could be completely different? Airports around the world are on the brink of a transformation that will redefine how we travel. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice changes that go far beyond just new technology. They're about creating a seamless, stress-free journey for everyone. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, these innovations are designed to surprise and delight you at every turn. In 2026, 9 new rules are set to catch even the most seasoned travelers off guard. These aren't just minor tweaks. They're sweeping changes that will impact everything from check-in to boarding. Imagine arriving at the airport and realizing that the routines you've relied on for years have been completely reimagined. Even the most experienced jet-setters will need to adapt to this new reality. Imagine stepping into an airport where your face is your ticket, your health is scanned in real time, and the usual chaos is replaced by calm efficiency. No more fumbling for boarding passes or worrying about misplaced documents. Advanced biometric systems will recognize you instantly, while health screening stations ensure everyone's safety without slowing you down. The entire environment feels futuristic, with soft lighting and intuitive layouts guiding you effortlessly from one step to the next. Today, we're diving into the surprising new airport regulations you need to know before your next flight. These rules cover everything from security procedures to digital information displays, and even how you interact with airport staff. Announcements will be clear, information more accessible, and the overall experience tailored to your needs. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, understanding these changes will help you navigate the airport with confidence. These changes promise to make travel safer, smoother, and more personal than ever. Let's see how they'll shape your next journey. From friendlier staff interactions to automated lanes that speed up your passage, every detail has been considered to enhance your comfort and peace of mind. Families, solo travelers, and business professionals alike will benefit from these advancements. Get ready to experience air travel in a way you never have before. The paper boarding pass is fading away, replaced by biometric identification. At the gate, facial recognition and fingerprint scans confirm your identity in seconds. No more fumbling for documents. This means shorter lines and fewer errors, but also new questions about privacy and data security. Registering your biometrics is now as essential as packing your passport. Airports are becoming gateways to a future where your identity is your ticket to the world. The days of squeezing liquids into tiny bottles are getting even stricter in 2026. Advanced scanners now detect every drop with molecular precision. No more bending the rules. Even small deviations can mean delays or confiscation, so packing smart is a must. The upside? Fewer false alarms and faster security lines. Security is tighter, but the process is smoother. Adaptation is key. Artificial intelligence now powers airport security, transforming the way we travel. As soon as you step into the terminal, advanced cameras and sensors begin scanning faces and analyzing movements, searching for threats that would be invisible to the human eye. These systems are constantly learning, adapting to new behaviors and potential risks, making the airport environment safer than ever before. The technology works quietly in the background, blending seamlessly into the daily flow of travelers. Cameras and sensors feed a continuous stream of data to powerful algorithms, which process and analyze information in real time. When something unusual is detected, whether it's a suspicious movement or an unrecognized face, the system flags it instantly, allowing security teams to respond within seconds. This rapid detection and resolution of issues helps prevent incidents before they escalate, keeping everyone safer. Thanks to these innovations, security lines move faster and more efficiently than ever before. Travelers spend less time waiting and more time enjoying their journey. But there's a trade-off. Your personal data, your face, your movements, even your travel habits, are now part of a vast digital network analyzed and stored to enhance security. That's why transparency about how your data is used is more important than ever. Clear communication and strict protocols help build trust between travelers and the systems designed to protect them. When you know how your information is handled, you can feel more confident in the safety measures in place. In this new world, digital guardians work silently and tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that every journey is not only safe and efficient, but also respectful of your privacy and trust. Real-time health monitoring is now standard at every terminal. Invisible sensors scan for fevers and symptoms, aiming to catch health risks before boarding. Alerts trigger discreet extra screening, keeping disruptions minimal and safety high. For many, it's reassuring. For others, it raises privacy concerns. Health is now your passport to the skies. Travelers must adapt to this new normal. In 2026, a digital health passport is required for international travel. Stored on your phone or wearable, it holds your vaccination records and test results, verified for each trip. Check-in is seamless, but those without digital access face new barriers. Equity and privacy are growing concerns as the digital divide widens. The digital health passport is both shield and key, opening doors, but demanding new trust. No more unpacking laptops at security. Next-gen scanners see through your bag with ease. Security lines move faster, and travelers enjoy less hassle and more peace of mind. For staff, the technology means fewer errors and more focus on real threats. This shift marks a move from inconvenience to intelligence in airport security. For frequent flyers, it's a welcome relief. Travel just got a little easier. Boarding is now a smooth, AI-orchestrated process. No more chaotic rush. Algorithms assign dynamic boarding groups in real time, minimizing congestion and wait times. Personalized notifications tell you exactly when to approach the gate. The system adapts for families and those needing assistance, but tech hiccups can still happen. Boarding becomes an elegant dance, efficient, personalized, and powered by technology. Imagine a world where the anxiety of lost luggage is a distant memory. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, that world is now a reality. Every checked bag is equipped with a smart tracking tag, seamlessly integrated into your travel experience. These tags are easy to attach and activate, giving travelers peace of mind before they even board their flight. Using a combination of GPS, RFID, and Bluetooth technology, both you and the airline can monitor your bag's journey in real time. With just a glance at your smartphone, you can see exactly where your luggage is, whether it's being loaded onto the plane, transferred between flights, or waiting for you at your destination. Airline staff can also scan and verify your bag's location at every step, reducing the risk of mishandling or misplacement. Instant notifications keep you updated, alerting you the moment your bag arrives at the carousel or if there's an unexpected delay. If any issues arise, airport staff are immediately notified and can step in to resolve problems before they escalate, ensuring your travel plans stay on track. The result? Baggage claim is faster and more organized than ever before. Passengers can relax, knowing their belongings are safe and accounted for. The days of anxiously waiting by the carousel, wondering if your suitcase will appear, are over. While privacy and reliability concerns are still being addressed, the convenience and security of smart luggage tracking are undeniable. Your bags are always within reach, and your travel experience is smoother, safer, and more enjoyable than ever before. Airports are quieter than ever. Announcements are limited to emergencies only. All updates now arrive directly to your device, transforming terminals into calm, focused spaces. Digital notifications offer clarity and accessibility, but missing a ping could mean missing your flight. Robust Wi-Fi and clear signage are essential to keep everyone informed. The airport is now a serene prelude to adventure, a fitting start for the future of travel. These 9 new rules are set to transform air travel in 2026. From biometric boarding to silent terminals, each innovation brings new possibilities and new responsibilities. The journey is evolving, and so must we. Subscribe for more travel updates, and let us know which rule surprised you most. Your next adventure starts here.